Every year we read the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and this year we teamed up with the Aggie Chocolate Factory to do a contest. The students got to pretend to be Willy Wonka and design their own chocolate bar and design their own label to go with it. And they had to present in front of class and be persuasive, and they got to vote. And we went through a few rounds of voting to narrow it down to our 5 golden ticket winners and our overall champion. And the 5 golden ticket winners and the champion get to go up to the Aggie Chocolate Factory for a tour.
The winner of the chocolate bar is going to be actually transformed into a real chocolate bar, and we're going to help you do that. So the winner of the competition is going to have the privilege of visiting the chocolate factory and actually making the bar themselves.
We really do it to give them a creative way to use what we're teaching them, the standards we're teaching them, and also to connect what we're doing with the real world, to get them to realize that what we're doing in the classroom applies to the real world and that they can have an impact on it even as 6th graders.
Oh, our teachers have done an amazing job, and they have really gone out of their way to create this very fun activity to help engage kids, to help kind of contain some of their excitement about life right now. And our 6th graders do a really nice job, but our 6th grade teachers are there the whole way to help them, to support them, and to find fun things for them to participate in.
They love it. They get really excited. When we announce it, we get jaw-dropping responses to it, and they get into it, they get really engaged. We get essentially 100% participation, and they get really excited. They all want to win, and we're about to find out who the big winner is, so everybody's nervous.
And first place, drum roll please. With 67 votes, campfire.
I'm excited to see what it tastes like and what it looks like and everything.